What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today is Tuesday, February 28th, and today we're going to be doing something different in terms of our NFT collection review, and that is regarding a Polygon NFT called Rekt. Now, this is the first time we've ever covered a Polygon NFT collection, especially a PFP, also known as Profile for Picture collection. I'm going to share with you why this collection should be on your radar, why this collection could be one of the first NFT collections on Polygon that could possibly moon. Now, with this said, please do not treat this as financial advice. This is just my own opinion, just for your own entertainment. So please do your own due diligence before investing into any of these NFTs that I'm bringing up. Now, with that said, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. Right now, Rekt's floor price is around 99 matics, and each matic token is around $1.20 at the time of this recording. Now, there are a lot of NFTs that are on the floor right now, but a great story about this, if you didn't know, this NFT collection minted for around 19.99 or 20 matic tokens, roughly, give or take. I'm not so sure, but leave a comment down below if I'm wrong or not. But it was roughly around that much, so it's like around $20 to even $30. It has 5x since then. It's even gone up to almost 180 to almost 200 matic tokens. So that's why it was on my radar. Now, we need to keep in mind that this has done really great in terms of trading volume. In fact, at a certain point when this collection did release, it was actually number one in terms of Magic Eden, also known as the Polygon network on Magic Eden, but also on OpenSea. So these are great things to keep in mind because you want to see that there's a lot of volume, a lot of traction, but as you can see here, the floor price skyrocketed, right? But we are in a downtrend in terms of a floor price, but that doesn't mean that it may go to zero. It could be a good buying opportunity because people probably want to take their profits because they bought at a very lower price. Now, next up, we also have the collection compared to other NFTs within Polygon. Now, you do need to know is that there's not a lot of PFP collections on Polygon because it's fairly new in terms of the NFT world. When I'm talking about new, I'm talking about PFPs. Now, Utes is going to be a collection that's soon going to be migrating from Solana over to Polygon. But until then, we have to see which PFPs are available on the market floor. And right now, I'm not seeing any promising ones. But right now, Rekt is the one that I'm looking out for because it's one of the most promising projects. So it's good that you're seeing this video early because you could be really early in this phase. Now, another thing I want to share with you is if we look at the overall chart where Rekt is, it's number 8th place. This is in the past 30 days on Polygon. Why is this important to know? So consider that all these other collections that you're seeing, they've been around for some time. They've been around for well over a month. Rekt is not even in its first to even second week, and already it's done 301,000 matic token trading volume. That's insane. It's actually going to flip Polygon Ape. We don't know when, but if this traction, this volume trading is going to continue on, it will flip that. Now, we got to talk about other things, like other places to buy Rekt, because it can't just be Magic Eden, right? You can also buy it on OpenSea. The reason I'm bringing this up is because there's two different markets. There's Magic Eden, OpenSea. So you got to understand that the reason I'm showing you OpenSea is because there have been oftentimes I see the floor price on Magic Eden for 100 Solana to even 120, but when I go to OpenSea, I'll see it around 90 to 100. It's a big difference. So you got to check out these two marketplaces and make sure you choose the right one. Make sure you're not buying some scam link or some scam collection because there are a lot of scammers out there. So you got to make sure it's very legitimate, or just go to the website of Rekt on their Twitter and make sure to click on any of their official affiliate links. Now, who's buying this collection? Well, we have YouTube influencer Jersey. Now, Jersey has a couple NFT collections himself, but actually he was doing a live stream not too long ago. And as you can see here, he's actually shopping on a live stream looking for the best trades. So obviously he chose the right ones for himself. And not only that, we also have Free Lunch Capital. Free Lunch Capital has a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT. He is an ETH influencer within Twitter, has 15,000 followers. He ended up getting this nice grail, this nice body, these wires, and these 3D glasses, absolutely diamond gem. He says, "Congratulations on a successful mint and reveal. I offered to be an advisor when you were thinking of moving to Solana because this apparently was a collection maybe about to release on Solana but chose Polygon. But you seem to be doing really fine without me. Bought a few after the reveal and I love them." And we can't forget Sandeep, who is one of the co-founders of Polygon, ends up supporting the Rekt and even announced this PFP on his own Twitter page. Again, he is one of the people that got Utes to migrate over to the Polygon blockchain. And now this collection released right before Utes, which means that this is the OG PFP collection you need to keep your eyes out on. You must be wondering, what did I do? I had to get one. I had to get one of these NFTs for myself. And it is my first Polygon NFT, and I'm thinking about getting more. But I wanted to get the Halo ring, most importantly, because I thought that was one of my favorite traits, personally my favorite. But I may be looking for more. Now, other things I want to share with you is this one, which is a one-on-one NFT. Now, they look like coins. But from what this person said, he said, Ayo, I got a one-on-one Rekt token that I can redeem for a fully customizable PFP. Interesting. What could that look like? Could it look like this? Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because I haven't seen this trait anywhere else on the floor. And it could be because this is part of those coins, those one-on-ones. And if you want to find them, you just need to go over this trait area. If you go to the left-hand side and you click on one-on-ones, you click on Aureus, this is where you're going to see these coins. But again, the lowest price is 1,099 MAC tokens. So that's over $1,000 for sure. So really, you got to evaluate, is this the right investment for you? Now, personally for me, as a conclusion and statement around this collection, this is the first PFP collection that I think on Polygon is definitely worth notably a good recognition within Polygon. I think that this could do really well. It has great artwork, amazing traits, and I definitely think that since this is the first PFP that legitimately looks like a PFP, that this could be considered a OG project that people will soon ape into later on down the road. Now, that's not like, again, financial advice, that's a prediction. That's just a prediction that's completely wild after me reviewing all these different NFT collections on Solana, Ethereum, and now on Polygon. But we were lacking a lot of PFP collections on Polygon, so maybe this is it. Maybe this is the one right before Utes that's going to moon. Who knows? But again, anything can happen. Any collection can go to zero. But keep in mind, this collection is very low. It's about 4.4 thousand of this, so low supply. When there's low supply, there's heavy demand. Now, I hope this video has been informational and educational for you to make the best investment decision for yourself. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about Rekt dogs. Do you feel that you're going to be sitting on the sidelines? Or are you going to ape into it right now? Or are you just going to watch it to see where the floor price is going to go? I want to hear your thoughts down below on YouTube and Twitter, and I cannot wait to read them. As always, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive alpha calls on our buy and sell orders for all NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Until then, I'll see you guys and girls next time.